Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today's class, I will be teaching you one sum, how to prepare receipts and payments account. Previous class, I have already told you what are the things will be appearing in the receipts and payments account. You know that only cash receipts and cash payments will be appearing. Okay, non-cash items should be excluded from the receipts and payments account. It's very simple, just you have to identify which are the cash receipts and which are the cash payments and prepare the sum. Okay, so shall we move on to the sum? Today we will be doing question number 4, page number 72. You can just watch the screen for the question. I'll read the question for you, then we will move on to the sums. Mayiladurai Recreation Club gives you the following details. Prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening cash balance 15,000, opening bank balance 25,000, donations received 48,000, sale of old equipment 26,000, refreshment charges 13,000, club annual day collections 18,000, construction of tennis court 7,000, receipt from charity show 4,000, rent paid 1,000, salary of watchman 12,000, club annual day expenses 15,000, lighting charges 16,500, entertainment expenses 13,500, billiards table purchased 5,000, expenses of charity show 3,000, sale of investments 12,000, closing cash balance 12,000. Children, always it is good to read the question first. So, after reading the question, then we can do the sum. As I am doing, you also can take your book and work the sum along with me. So, it will be easy for you to understand if you follow me. First, question number 4. In the books of Mayiladurai Recreation Club, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, debit, credit, receipts, payments. So, just write in the books of Mayiladurai Recreation Club, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019, receipts on the debit side, payments on the credit side. Identify all the receipts and put on the debit side, identify all the payments and put it on the credit side. Okay. The first item is opening cash balance. The opening balance will be on the debit side. So, here you write to balance brought down, cash in hand 15,000, cash at bank, that is also opening balance, cash at bank 25,000, donation received 48,000, it is receipts. So, again you write here to donation received 48,000. Sale of old 26,000. So, when you are selling, again you will receive money to, so again it is receipts to sale of old equipment 26,000. Okay. Refreshment charge 13,000, that is the expense payments by refreshment charges 13,000. Club annual day collections 18,000, collections it is receipts. So, to club annual day collections 18,000, receipts, it is a receipts. Construction of tennis court 7,000, you are constructing a tennis court, so you have to pay for that. To, it's a payment, construction of tennis court 7,000. Receipts from charity show 4,000, again it is a receipt too. to charity show. You are receiving money from charity, 4,000. Next, rent paid 1,000. So it's a payments by rent paid 1,000. Okay. Salary of watchman 12,000. It is salary by salary paid. Salary of watchman, that is 12,000. Club annual day expenses 15,000. So again it's payments by club annual day expenses 15,000. Next, lighting charges 16,500 by lighting, its payments, expense, lighting charges 1,500. Entertainment expenses 13,500 by entertainment expenses 13,500. Billiards table purchased 5,000 by it's purchased, it's a payment. Billiards table purchased 5,000. It's a payment, it's a purchases, payment. Expenses of charity show 3,000. Again it is an expense by charity show 3,000. Again you have to pay for it. Next, sale of investments 12,000. So when you sell the investment, you will get money. So it's a receipt. To sale of investments 12,000. Last item, closing cash balance 12,000. So closing cash balance by balance carried down, cash in hand 12,000. Now what you have to do? You have to put the total of the receipts. Add all the receipt side, debit side, and all the credit side. Find which is greater, whether debit is greater or credit is greater. Put the total. The debit side is more, so you put the balance here. Cash at bank. So the debit side is more. Put the total 1,48,000. Then this 1,48,000 subtract with this total. That will give your cash balance. That is the closing balance of cash 50,000. Then put the total 1,48,000 is the total. So cash at bank is 50,000. That is the answer. Put a box for the answer. Okay. Hope you understood, children. It is very simple. Just identify the receipts, what all you are receiving. First start with the opening cash in hand and cash at bank. Write all the receipts here. Write all the payments here. The difference between the debit side and credit side, that will give you a closing cash balance. Thank you.